Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So let's learn how to solve the issue of private number or no caller ID on your iPhone device. So if you call in other people and what is to show there is no caller ID, this is the right video to get it solved. So go ahead to click on your settings, then just scroll down to locate apps here. So I'll click here on my apps, then from the scroll down to locate your phone. So I've got into my phone here. So I'll just go ahead to click on my phone, next thing to scroll down to locate what they call show my caller ID. So I'll be clicking on show my caller ID here on my iPhone device. So clicking on show my caller ID, then wait for this to load. It take few seconds to load, and once it has loaded, you just have to toggle it on. So yes, it has loaded. So what I have to do is to toggle this on, and this should solve all issue I have with caller ID. So right now, if I make a call, it's actually going to display my number. So this is how to solve all problem you get having the no caller ID. So if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe, and also share out to your friends. Thank you.